What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day out here on the Sunshine Coast, not a cloud in the sky, blue skies all around. It is just a phenomenal day. A little bit on the cool side here in Queensland, but that's okay. In this episode we're going to be getting some new tyres fitted. I currently have 265, 65, 17 on here. I'm now going to be running 265, 75, 16. Let's go get these tyres fitted. Well, I'm at Bob Jane. That's my car somewhere, wherever it is. There it is, right there. They're gonna go get it fitted. They wouldn't let me in the workshop, which is fair enough. We got all this COVID thing going on at the moment, and obviously occupational workplace health and safety. So wouldn't let me record in there for now. So I'm just gonna go get myself some breakfast. Okay, so I'm in one of the shopping centres at the moment here, Sunshine Plaza, and they still haven't got any dining. Muffin break will give you a little plastic plate. I think there's a knife in there, there's a fork in there to eat out of, so that's good. That's what they give you. Oh well, I mean it's better than nothing. And a coffee. Well, it is pretty darn bright out here and I haven't really, still haven't fully woken up properly. But I am absolutely stoked with these tyres, they look so good. Really they're only about maybe a 31.5 inch tyre, but on this car it does look pretty good. So let's check this out. Alright everyone, it has been a couple of weeks now since I got the new tyres fitted, and as you would have seen in the footage that I just showed, there's a little bit of a tyre clearance issue. Now, I have recently just had this caster move forward, and what they do is they've got these bolts just here, and they put shims just through the back here that move this move this top control arm forward and bring all of this wheel and all of this hub assembly all forward. So I've already had that done, but there's still a bit of an issue, and that issue is right here. And as you can see, the tyres have just been tearing apart at my mud flap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just undo this bolt, and I'm literally going to cut straight across here, so hopefully it gives that just that little bit of clearance, just so that way I'm not making an absolute racket, because right now everyone is looking at me every time I pull a park, make a turn. It's just embarrassing. So let's get into this. So while I have the car all jacked up, thought I'd just quickly show you. New clutch, brand new XCD clutch installed. I got that done just yesterday. I was going to do it myself, but because I'm on holidays, I didn't really want to ruin my holidays by just constantly working on my car and having to pull the transfer case apart and all this gearbox apart, replace the clutch. It was just wiser for me to do it this way and pay someone for now. It is just obviously a XCD heavy duty. I haven't gone NPC or anything like that just yet, but definitely in the future. I just don't need it now. I'm not running all the power, so this is I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out so far. So here, hopefully it's not too dark, but you can just see it's still sort of going to be rubbing right here, and the most outer point of the tyre is down a little bit further. So I think I'm definitely going to have to fit a body lift to the vehicle just to help give a little bit of clearance for these tyres. And really, these aren't even that big tyres. They're not even 32, they're 31.6. So just if anyone ever calls these a 32-inch tyre, where is it? If anyone ever calls 265, 75, 16 a 32-inch tyre, they're not 32. They're 31.6. Get salty. Okay, so I've driven it in and out around the driveway here, and just still doesn't clear properly. So how's it done, fellas? Well, that didn't really work. I mean, it looked cool, but it didn't work. Have a look. I think I might be alright now. Doesn't look anywhere near as bad, so we'll get on to the other side. Okay, so we finally got the guard chop on it done with the new tyres fitted, the caster moved forward. I've finally got a bit more clearance now, and I've run out of time. I've run out of money is another thing as well. I want to fit a body lift to it, but it's not going to be in this video, it's going to be in another video. But we do have a trip coming up to Glasshouse Mountains in like 2 days. No, actually less than 2 days. So I've got to start preparing for that now. And well, now that I've got all this done, let's go check out how these tyres perform, and let's have some fun. Actually, before we do, I've got another set of tyres over there that I think we can have some other fun with. Let's make some use of them. Now that we know that the new clutch works well, let's take this beast off-road and let's see what it can do with the new tyres. On the next episode,